Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the BBC iPlayer app on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So we're going to do in two steps. The first step is that we're going to be enabling unknown sources, just to give an app on the TV permission to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. The second step is that we're going to use the download application to download and install the APK for BBC iPlayer and get it to Google TV. Let's get started. So head over to quick settings and then all settings for step 1. Navigate down to system. You find about, so click on about and then head over to the build number. Click on this 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is going to enable developer option. So if you're now a developer, you have the ability to download and install apps from unknown sources. Come back out to the app drawer and head over to download application. Click on this app and launch it. So now you could go to the search bar at the top and simply just type in BBC iPlayer APK. So BBC iPlayer. APK download. So you type BBC iPlayer APK download and you're going to run this search. Also, while typing longer words, look at the bar up for suggestions or like they are found download, and now launch the search and give it a second. So when this launches, you're going to present links to different sites from which you could download this APK and install it on this device. So I'm looking at the links provided. I'm going to be scrolling down on this list. I'm going to identify this link from download it. So head over to BBC player, download it. That's the one I want. So click on that link, and after a second it loads up. Just click on the free download, and then start download. So this is going to take a short while to download. If the internet connection is good, it should work seamlessly. So just sit tight a bit, a few seconds more, and it downloads, and download completes. Downloader has taken over the download, and right there you can install the application. So this app is staging, and right here you find for security, your TV is not allowed to install unknown apps or apps from this source. You can change it in settings. So just click over to settings, and now wait for this list to load up. You find install unknown apps. Your device and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by apps from unknown sources. You have to agree that you are solely responsible for any damage to your device or data loss that may result from using these apps. If you agree, just head over to downloader and give it the permission to install unknown apps. From there, you can click on this install button and you have the BBC iPlayer installed to your Google TV. The installation process is as I've shown you. Just wait for it to install, and there you can click on open to launch the app or just click on done. And now you can delete the download package to save space on your Android or your Google TV, and there you go. So that's the entire process. If you want to access the application, you could find it on the app library. If you cannot find any app on app library on Google TV, just head over to quick settings, all settings, and then move to apps, see your apps, and there you find any app you cannot see on the app drawer. So you click on the BBC iPlayer application and open it. Right there it launches and you can enjoy the app. So if you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.